Okay, Tuesday night. Welcome back to Coins to Collect. And I have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bags for tonight's video. Whoop whoop. Yesterday, Monday night, we found the most amazing handball Olympic coin for the book. Thank you. And by the end of the week, we're going to have a big old line along the bottom here of amazing coins. Didn't actually find too many commemoratives yesterday. In fact, 2 of them aren't even commemoratives at all. They are just some funky Britannias I thought of might keep hold of, maybe not sure. Tuesday nights. What are we going to find? Well, we found another diversity straight away. We're going to put that down there. We've got, oh my god, Roger the Dodger, Roger Bannister. I've picked that up from Bow Selector Coins. And we have another boring old dictionaries. And I dropped a Britannia. Right. Cracking on with this hunt. So obviously we're looking for any commemoratives really. Happy to find anything. But if we can find some Olympics, some 2018 whoop whoop. If we can find some 2018 Potters, I'll be happy. Now, the last time I did this, I did 5 videos throughout the week. I found 2 Newtons, 2 of them. And look what pops up again. Another Newton. So if I want to find a Newton, I have to do £100 a night for a week. 2017 Newton. And that's not too bad. I've seen them in very much worse condition than that. Beautiful coin. Let's have, yeah, very much a desirable coin. Oh yeah. Come on. What are we gonna find in this bag? Oh, this might have to be the format forever now. Oh, a bit of a grotty old people act. A queue of people who've been queuing up in the wind and the rain and the gunk of the English whatever weather. Dirty grubby people. And then a Victoria Cross, the heroic act. There we go. Don't have 2 of them in the book anymore. Or was it the medals? It was the medals. Anyway, Brexit, first time this week. I'll start another row soon. Just when I thought it was going to be a bust bag, we have a bunny from 2017, the Tales of Peter Rabbit. What am I going to do with him? I think let's put Potters down that side, down the outside track. Right, next bag. Mrs. Diggerwinkle. There we go, 2016. (2020) diversity. There we go. There we go. Another 2017 Peter Rabbit or Benjamin Bunny. What do we think? It's a Benjamin Bunny. Let's line up the Queen. There we go, get the Queen right, spin it over, and Benjamin Bunny's fine, isn't he? Damn. He's okay. There's no rotation error on him tonight, so. Oh, medals. Victoria Cross medals. We haven't got that one yet. We got the other Victoria Cross, the Heroic Acts. But we haven't got medals. Oh, my favourite bunny, 2016 Peter Rabbit, but he's all a bit grubby. Oh dear, let's put him there, right on the edge. Oh, Tanya, that's got a bit of a dent to the whole thing. The whole thing looks like it's got a bit of a dent in the middle, but obviously it's got a bit of a thing there. Anyway, weird one. That will be rejected by the coin machine, I think. Mind you, I've said that before and they weren't, so you never know. 2019. Oh, there's a Paddington at the Cathedral, St Paul's. Paddington. No, I'm just going to put him there. Any old place, Paddington. Just sit down. 2001 Britannia, quite nice condition. Commonwealth Games to finish that bag. There we go, 2014 was it? I think so. And then we're on to our last bag for tonight, Tuesday night. Last chance, last bag luck, 17. We'll come back to that. Oh, so we got, just check these shields. Anything? Come on. Oh, is that it? Just this one? 2017. What's this gonna be? It's another Benjamin. And unfortunately, he is all correct. Oh well, mustn't grumble. I found a Newton. Fantastic. Lovely. Right, let's have a sneaky peek at tomorrow's video. Oh yes. Whoop whoop. Cool. Olympic. Olympic is an Olympic. That's why he's got spooky eyes. He's Atomic Kitten. He's been irradiated. That is great condition. Double Olympic Wednesday. Hey. Oh, lovely. I'm looking forward to tomorrow night's video then. So have a think about subscribing, hit that like button and ring that notification bell. But until tomorrow's video, please keep looking out for those coins to collect.